Hi everyone, today we are diving into two preposition pairs as always. These prepositions might seem simple but can easily throw you off the track. Interested in versus interested for. Jealous of versus jealous from. These little words can make a big difference in how natural and how fluent you are in English or you sound in English. So if you are interested in mastering these and maybe you are just a bit jealous of people who already know them, so this lesson is for you. First up, interested in. Let me show you how we use this. Interested in or for. Interested in. Remember the pronunciation of this word. After T, when T comes after N, we don't pronounce T, always. So this one is pronounced interested, interested, interested. You omit T if you want to sound like native. But as long as your pronunciation is correct, as long as people can understand your English, you're fine. You're good to go. All right? You don't need to sound like anyone. Just speak normal, standard English. If you want to look like fancy or you like to look like a professional one, or you want to copy them, okay, T after N, you shouldn't pronounce it. Interested, right? Okay. When do we use interested in? First, is it interested in or is it interested for? Which one is correct? First, which one do you think is correct? Which one do you normally use? Which one do you usually use? For or in? Write in the comment below, right? Which one do you use? Which one do you think is correct? Which one do you think is appropriate? Huh? Okay, I will give you an answer because we don't have time. I'm not gonna wait for you. We use interested in. Interested in. Never use interested for. When do we use interested? We use interested in when we care about something, or when we engage. Something is engaging. We find engaging. Find something engaging. When we care about something and we find something engaging, we use interested. Interested in. Example, you might say she is interested in her work. She is interested in her work. So she cares about her work. She cares about her work. All right? Meaning, she genuinely cares about her job. Right? Do you remember the verb I told you before weeks ago or before weeks? Huh? Observed. Do you remember? Observed in, observed at. Huh? So observed in. Go back please and check the video here. Okay? Study again, review again. Observed in. Okay? So she is interested in her job, in her work. All right. Now, here is where people get tripped up. If you say interested for her work, it sounds as if you are interested on behalf of her work. But let's be real, her work probably doesn't need anyone to be interested for or to be interested for it. It has already got enough on its plate. She has already enough. Okay? So please, interested in, not interested for. So always remember, when you talk about something that you care about, okay? You find it engaging, exciting, you use interested in, but never for. Let me give you some sentences, then you try, all right? I'm interested I am interested learning what? Learning new languages. New languages. So which preposition are we gonna use here? In. Okay, very good. You are super smart, guys. Very good. I am interested in learning new languages. New languages. Let's ask a question. Are you interested in what? In traveling. In traveling. In traveling what? Where? In traveling in summer. This summer. This summer. Are you interested in? As you can see here, I used in. Always interested in. Never for. You are interested in this activity. You feel excited, okay? This activity is exciting, engaging, and you feel excited, engaged with this activity, doing this activity, right? So far, so good? Okay, the kids are interested in the animals at the zoo. The kids are interested in the animals at the zoo. So, always in. Very good. Right. Takeaway. When do you use interested in? You use interested in when you care about something, when you find something interesting, you find something engaging, exciting. Alright? You use interested in. I'm interested in learning Vietnamese. I'm interested in visiting so many places in Vietnam. I'm interested in whatever. You feel excited. Engaged, interested in. Okay, so you use interested in. Number two, jealous. Jealous. Jealous of, jealous from. All right, jealous of, jealous from. Let me ask you, are you jealous of or jealous from rich people? Let me know in the comments. No judgments, okay? If you are just a little jealous of someone's vacation pictures on Instagram, Facebook, is okay. You are a bit jealous of someone's vacation. Alright, you notice that I used what? I used jealous? Jealous from or jealous of? Alright. When you are envious of someone, you say you are jealous of. Okay? When you are envious, you feel not happy because of someone has something special. then you feel, I need that thing, alright? So you feel a bit jealous of that person. He is jealous of his brother. He is jealous of his brother. He is jealous. He is jealous of his brother. He is jealous of his brother. Look, here I use jealous of. Jealous of. Jealous of his brother. If you say jealous from his brother, it sounds like his brother's the one giving him the jealousy. Jealousy is a thing. Is a thing, alright? This is jealousy. So you give it to his brother, right? Like brother's the one giving him the jealousy from. Where did you get this this marker? I got this marker from Rachid, from blah blah blah. So this is what's happening in your mind. So you always use from in this way, but no, when you use jealous of, not jealous from. I'm jealous from my brother. I'm jealous from my sister. I'm jealous from people. No, I'm jealous of. I'm jealous of my brother. I'm jealous of my co-worker. I'm jealous, blah, blah, blah. Jealous of his brother, not jealous from his brother. Let me give you an example. He was his sister's new car. He was his sister's new car. All right. Okay. Which one are you gonna use? Jealous of or jealous from? He was jealous of his sister's new car, or he was jealous from his sister's new car. We said when you are envious of someone, you say jealous of. Jealous of. You are envious of someone. Envious of someone. You see the same. Envious, jealous. Envious of someone, jealous of someone. Right? Never use jealous from. So let's see if you are mastering this. I will give you some examples. Fill in the blanks, all right? And don't forget to drop your answers in the comments. For example, easy, huh? Easy. I'll give you easy sentences just to practice. She is learning new skills. She is learning new skills. She is learning new skills. Or he was best friend. He was best friend. He was. So use jealous of. Use jealous of. They are the project are working on. Long sentence, huh? They are jealous from or jealous of. She is jealous of or jealous from. He was jealous of the best friend. His best friend. His best friend. They are jealous of or from the project they are working on. All right. Give you time. Một, hai, ba, bốn, năm. All right. Okay. Time is up. She is jealous. This one is not right anymore. I need to buy one, but I always forget it. She is jealous of learning new skills. She is jealous of learning new skills. He was jealous of his best friend. They are jealous of. Always use jealous of. Never use jealous from. Alright? Okay. Nice. Good job, guys. You are excellent. You are excellent. Okay. We said one. Jealous of. Jealous of. We said jealous of. When do we use jealous of? We use it when you are envious of someone. Envious of someone. 2. What was number 1? Jealous of. Remind me, please. What was the first one? Interested in. For. Interested for. And we said we use interested in. Interested in. Never for. Never from. Interested in. When? When you care about something, or if you find it engaging or exciting or interesting. The same word. Interesting. Okay? When you care about something, when you find something engaging, exciting, interesting, you say interesting in. And the pronunciation after N, if you have T after N, never pronounce T if you want to sound like native speakers. But you don't need to, right? Interested in, or interested in, fine, as long as your pronunciation is standard, right? That's it. This is for my lesson today. If you find the lesson exciting, engaging, and interesting, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and spread love. Thank you so much. Goodbye. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.